Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to share with you how you can charge the JBL Tune 770 NC. So it's like pretty simple, and the charging, it works like this. So you have the right side, the earbud, and the charging point is right here. Let me show you here. So all you have to do is plug it in and then plug it to adapter. So many times it's like hidden if you have first time experience. So I'll show you how it looks. In the moment you're gonna insert it, you're gonna find the red light there that it's right now charging. So this is how you're gonna do it. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you're gonna have a great day. And if you're gonna have any questions, let me down below in the comments. Goodbye.